Hello, everyone. Today we explore Earth's epic sights and bizarre phenomena. From breathtaking beauty to raw terror, nature proves how fragile we truly are against its untamed power. Prepare to be amazed by these spectacular moments caught on camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join our journey. A rare natural phenomenon known as the fountain tree in the village of Dinosha, Montenegro. The reason for the phenomenon, the tree grows above underground water sources. The icy fury of Siberian rivers. The Hongoran Els dunes are called singing because of the low hum produced by the sand when it shifts or during sand avalanches.
Wow.
A marine flatworm that hunts small crabs, the worm uses its soft, stretchy body to envelop its prey, resembling the behavior of the character Venom from the comics. Huge tornado in the city of Dolores, Uruguay.
Ay, no, 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 no.
Fata Morgana. This type of mirage can distort and reflect the silhouettes of real objects, often making them difficult to distinguish or altering their shape, as seen in the example of this island. So much for a little cottage by the sea, Norway. Waiting for a sandstorm in Arvaikir, Mongolia. Avalanche on Mount Sumbul, Turkey. thunderstorm near Lawrence, Kansas, USA. Every year, the waterfall in Yosemite turns into a river of fire for a few minutes. In February, the sun sets at a perfect angle, coloring the water in bright orange and red hues, making it look as if molten lava is flowing down the mountain. Sunrise on Volcán de Fuego, Guatemala. At night, Yosemite glows under the Milky Way and aurora. Spring landscape in the Balhaiti area, Iraq. A mass leaping of fish out of the water, known as the leap through the Dragon's Gate, is caused by heavy rains that increase the flow of rivers emptying into the lake, altering the local current and triggering a stress response in the fish. In Waterbury Street, a water main burst creates a city waterfall. Landslide in Suru District, Central Java, Indonesia.
Siap Melayu loh, siap dulu. Wah, jadi danau kayak kali ini. Gitu terus. Woi, jatuh konek. Tidak sama apa itu.
Extensive flooding in Khautat Bani Tanim, Saudi Arabia. While in Jerusalem, snowmelt rushes toward the Dead Sea. Flash flooding in Mexico City.
Ya se llevó el agua a 2 carros, está a nada de irse a la barranca. Ya cuando...
Victoria Falls shines at sunset.